Hi everyone, it's Miriam with a Y. I have been waiting for months to tell you about this, but I couldn't until they were finalized and, well, available. Marabou has 14 amazing new colors, and boy, oh boy, are you going to ooh and ah. Excuse the less than pristine appearance of my bottles because, as you can imagine, I've been playing with them quite a bit. Before you ask, links for both the individual colors and the full set of 14 new colors are in the description box for you, and the price, if you get them now, is kinda awesome too. Okay, let's dive in and check these out. Marabou bottles come sealed. You'll find instructions for how to open the seal on the label. You'll take a push pin, line it up with the top of the bottle, push in, and you'll have punctured the seal. This ensures that you have a good size hole and that your nozzle stays intact. Don't be tempted to snip off the end. I know, it sounds like the easier way to go, but there's a nib inside the cap that's designed to line up with the top of the nozzle. So if you snip off the top, when you put your cap back on, you can't be assured that your bottle is completely sealed. So doing it the way it's suggested on the label is definitely the way to go. To start out with, Marabou has added a good opaque white to their line, which is great on its own and is useful for painting with any transparent alcohol ink on a dark or even black background. Just put the white down first, and any other color will pop on top of it. For those of you that are resin artists, Marabou's white works pretty darn well for Petri applications. On to the color fun. I'm going to start with the neon colors. There are 4 of them. Neon yellow, neon orange, neon pink, and neon blue. And like the white, they're good on their own. Very pretty straight out of the bottle. But they are also awesome for color mixing. So, even if you think, neon colors might not be something you'd use, get them anyway, because these can help you create beautiful, brilliant colors that I'm pretty sure you don't have. I don't have these colors I just made, and because of my channel, I have a lot of ink. So I think you might have some fun making your own unique colors. Let's visit the 5 new metallics now. Metallic yellow, metallic pink, metallic violet, metallic blue, and metallic green. And let's see them on black. Once dry, these have a satiny metallic sheen. I think the violet is rather rich, so in my opinion it looks best on a light base, but you can decide on that. You might love it on a dark substrate. Now, I've gotten to know you, my awesome viewers, and I can usually anticipate a lot of your questions. And I suspect that some of you will ask how these Marabou metallics compared to Ranger's Alcohol Pearl line. At first, I thought they were very similar, but after playing around with them quite a bit, I found some differences. First off, if you have the pearls, these Marabou colors are different, so you won't be repeating colors, even the yellow. For convenience, I'll be referring to the Ranger inks by standard color names, by the way. I'm spreading a bit of 3 of the alcohol pearls out for comparison. Okay, these have had a chance to dry, and I'm going to show you the differences. So these are the Marabou, and they appear rather shiny on the surface of either black or white. On this, Ranger's Pearls, the purple has a sheen for sure. And the purple is obviously more apparent than Marabou's purple. But the red and the yellow, and quite a few other colors actually, kind of dry matte. So no matter how I tilt them, I'm not getting a shine. And then the other thing that I realized was I'm going to show you my fingers, and I'm going to aggressively rub them on the Marabou. And those are my fingers. And I'm going to do it again. Back and forth, up and down, all I want. Nothing. Now, on the Ranger, I don't have to do much to get some onto my finger. And if I do something aggressive, this is going to happen. And I'm not even pressing that hard. And this is true of all the colors. So that's what I find to be the real difference between these. The binder here is just not as good as this binder. And another difference, Marabou bottles are 20 milliliters, whereas Ranger bottles are 14. I'm hoping I've kind of answered that potential question, so none of you get to ask it in the comments. Because if you do, I'm going to just say, watch the video. Okay, now for what I think is the pièce de résistance. In the first video I did just about a year ago telling you about Marabou's original 28 inks, I told you that the ink they call Rainbow was the best bottle of sparkly goodness ever made for alcohol ink. Well, they've done it again. 4 more times. Now, I have a lot of ink, you guys. The full set of several brands. But when I was told about these, I was like, okay, give me this, and of course this. Ooh, I need 3 of these. Ooh, and a few of those. Hey, don't judge me. Have you seen these? and I need this one and that one. Well, you get the idea. Meet the color shifting glitter inks. Like the metallics, these look good on white or black, but unlike the metallics, they're very different on white than they are on black. To show you their amazing sizzle, I'm going to take you down close. I apologize for the camera not being as stable as I'd like, because I'm holding it in my hand right now, as opposed to it being on a tripod. Watch as each ink goes down and how different it is on both backgrounds. I was a squealing little girl when I first saw these come out of the bottle, And I still love watching these dance and sparkle. I mean, I just do. And seriously, isn't it fun how different they look on the black and the white? Ugh. And then, once they dry, depending on your viewing angle, they take on the different colors in their names. Like each bottle has a 3-part name, like glitter pink green gold, and glitter violet blue green, like that. So it kind of lets you know all the different colors you can be looking out for. So for those of you that like sparkle, there are no inks out there that shine like this or color shift in this way. These make inking even more fun. I am loving Marabou now. They have just made alcohol ink more fun than it already is. If you haven't yet subscribed and hit the bell, make sure you do, because I've got some awesome projects in the works with these crazy wonderful inks, and I wouldn't want you to miss a thing. To recap, here is a swatch sheet of all the new colors done on photo paper. There's the white, the neon colors, the metallics, and the awesome color shifting glitter. Oh, this swatch sheet does not do them justice, but I wanted you to be able to see all the inks all at once. In case you don't yet have any Marabou inks, or maybe are missing some, here are the original, or the first, 28. Links for all of the inks are in the description box below this video. And to make this all the more fun, if you use those links, the entire line of Marabou inks will be 50% off. 50% off. Temporarily. Not forever. Temporarily. Whether you buy one bottle, all of them, or multiples of your favorites, like, you know, the sparkly ones, because, yeah, get more than one. Make sure to share this video with all of your inking friends so that they can get in on the deal too, because it's the kind thing to do. So, where will your imagination take you? Tell me in the comments what you're thinking about, which inks were your favorite, and then go get yourself some of these must-have inks. Your stash needs these inks. All right, have fun, stay safe, let your creative natures shine. See you soon. Bye now.